Hello, welcome. In this video, we are going to learn how you can find square root, cube root, fourth root, and so on of a number, not using a calculator, but using prime factorization. Now, one important thing you have to know is that a prime number is a number that can only be divided by 1 or itself, and you have to know that 1 is not a prime number. So example of prime numbers that we have are 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on. I guess you know that. And to make you understand this, let's look at these three examples. Number 1, we are going to find the square root of 81. So what you're going to do is, and so here we have our 81. So since the smallest prime number is 2 and 81 divided by 2 is going to give us some remainders, we move to the next prime number, and that's 3. So we are going to divide this 81 by 3. So what is 81 divided by 3? 81 divided by 3 is 27. So we have 27. And again, the smallest prime number that we can divide 27 by is 3. And what's 27 divided by 3? That's 9. Again, we are going to divide this 9 by 3. And now that will give us 3. Again, we are going to divide this 3 by 3. And that will give us 1. And that's exactly where you're going to stop. Now, since it's a square root, you're going to consider this number 2. So that means we are going to group these numbers in 2's. But make sure that in each set the numbers are identical. Like here we can see that we have 3's, so that means we are going to group these 4 3's in 2's. So we are going to have 3 by 3 times 3 times 3. So in each group we shall just pick one of them. So you're going to take 1 3 out of this group and another 3 out of this other group. So you'll have 3 times 3. So that will give you 9. Implying that the square root of 81 is 9. Number 2, we have the cube root of 27. We are going to do the same thing, but this time we are going to group the divisors in 3's, and in the same way we are going to just pick one number in each group. So if you are to find the cube root of 27, so what's the smallest number that can go into 27? And that is 3. So when we divide 27 by 3, what do we get? We get 9. So we are going to divide 9 by 3, and that will give us 3. And again, we are going to divide this by 3, and that will give us 1. So we are going to put this like 3 by 3. So since we're just going to pick one of them, one of the 3's, we should just select any of these, and so we shall have 3. Meaning that the cube root of 27 is 3. So let's solve the last problem using this same method. We have the fourth root of 16. You have your 16. So I guess the least is 2. The least prime number here is 2. So when you divide 16 by 2, you have 8. And 2 will fit here also perfectly. So you'll have 4. And here you'll have 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And here you'll have 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. And that's why you stop. So since it is a fourth root we are looking at here, we are going to put the divisors in a group of 4. So that means we are going to have 4 2's. And we are going to just pick one of the 2's, implying that our answer is going to be 2. So that means the fourth root of 16 is 2. That's how you can work out the nth root of any given number using this method. So I hope this video has been helpful, and I hope you will learn some more in my upcoming video. And I urge you to please subscribe to the channel and like the video so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.